To simplify this factorial expression, 10 factorial over 6 factorial, we need to first define the factorial function. So generally, if we have x factorial, by definition, it is the product of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, and we go on like that until we have 1 left. Therefore, 10 factorial over 6 factorial can be written as the product of 10 in the numerator times 9 when 1 is subtracted times 8 times 7. But because we have 6 factorial in the denominator, we are not going to do the expansion up to 1. So we're going to stop it at 6 factorial. And this over 6 factorial. And here 6 factorial can cancel out 6 factorial, meaning that we are left with the product 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Now, we want to express this in factorial form, the solution in factorial form. Therefore, we write 10 as the product of 2 and 5. 9 we write as the product of 3 and 3. We write 8 as the product of 2 and 4, and then times 7. This is further written as 2 times 5 times 3. Then here, the next 3 times 2, we can pull them together to give 6. So we have times 6, times 4, and times 7. When we look at the resulting product, we already have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And for it to be a factorial, we need to include 1. And multiplying this by 1 doesn't change anything. So we just go ahead and do that. Meaning that we have 1 times 2. Then the order numbers are written in order. Times 3 times 4. We've got 5. We have 6. And we have 7. In reverse, we have 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is the perfect definition of 7 factorial, because when we look at the product, from 7 the number starts to reduce by 1 until we get to 1, and this gives 7 factorial. Do give us a like, help us share the video. If you have any comments or questions, the comment box is open to you. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our math tutorial. Till we see you again. Bye.